Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2024, our system has classified NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.09. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 8.83% since we first suggested purchasing NIO 16 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.55% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 53.34% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 32.71% to 99.63%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a decline of around 32.6% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 75.27% and negative 17.35%. This translates to a price range of between $1.43 and $4.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO highlights a significant drop. NIO stock price decreased by 7.21% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, the NIO stock price fell from $6.24 to $5.79. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 7.29%, reaching a low of $5.76 and a high of $6.18. While the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 13.32% during this time frame. The trading volume rose by 36 million shares, despite the decline in prices, which may serve as an early warning signal, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 78 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $452,071,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $9.57, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 39.50%, or $3.78, below the 52-week high, and 91.36%, or $61.20, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has experienced a significant pullback recently, decreasing from $7.70 at the end of September to approximately $6.25, marking a 20% decline and placing the stock firmly in bear territory. This retracement occurs amid mixed performance in the electric vehicle sector, as major players like NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto have all faced substantial drops. However, this dip in NIO's stock coincides with a broader rally in Chinese equities, driven by new government stimulus measures aimed at revitalizing the economy. Electric vehicle manufacturers, including NIO, have benefited from this optimism, although recent shifts in market sentiment have kept investors apprehensive. In the short term, NIO's stock price may be influenced by the overall economic recovery in China and the effectiveness of the stimulus efforts. If these initiatives restore consumer confidence, NIO could attract renewed interest from investors. Conversely, ongoing volatility could lead to additional price declines, prompting strategic discussions among investors about whether to purchase at lower levels or wait for clearer signs of recovery. The long-term outlook for NIO remains closely connected to its capacity to navigate the competitive electric vehicle landscape, particularly as it competes against industry leaders like BYD and Tesla. Sustained delivery growth and strategic investments could strengthen its market position, potentially leading to a rebound in stock performance as investor sentiment stabilizes. The current fluctuations represent critical moments for potential investors to evaluate the risk-reward balance associated with NIO shares in a changing market environment. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating along with a hold action. On the 30th of September, 2024, it was also reported that Morgan Stanley rated NIO as overweight with a hold action. On the 30th of September 2024, Daiwa similarly gave NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On the 6th of September 2024, Piper Sandler issued an overweight rating for NIO with an upgrade action. On the 5th of September 2024, U.S. Tiger Securities provided NIO with a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a favorable outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.33. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $5.52. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued that may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and as a result, the stock has decreased by nearly 20%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is also a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which could be an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The short-term moving average yielded a sell signal 7 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average generated a buy signal 31 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 29 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $5.78, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock can exhibit significant movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 420 cents between its high and low, which equates to 7.29%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 5.60%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Turning to another matter, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 3rd of December, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate of negative 32 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $6.52. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $5.78. If this support level holds firm, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock took place more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.50, reflecting a decrease of 5.04%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the overall potential for a turnaround, it might be wise to hold or accumulate shares while monitoring further developments. After assessing the volatility and trading patterns from the last session, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of October, we anticipate NIO will open up 12 cents and begin trading at $5.91. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.